This lipoma is eating me very bad.
I don't worry you, but मैं thankful हूँ कि मैं every month जो है स्टेज पे चढ़ता हूँ. 180 जगह कट करके रिमूव किया गया लाइपोमा. We are going on date under the bar. Go down, go down, go down, go down and up. गया ना? Go down, down again, down. Come on. अलग अलग जैसे फीट पोजीशन होता है, अलग मसल टारगेट होने लगता है. If you have lots of money, lots of property and all this, lots of followers, doesn't mean you are successful. Come on, 1, 2, squeeze hard, down. Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I hope लास्ट वाला वीडियो आप लोगों ने एंजॉय किया होगा. और आज वसंत भाई आए हुए हैं. वसंत भाई ऑल द वे फ्रॉम चेन्नई. साथ में हम लोग ट्रेन करेंगे और लेग्स ट्रेन करेंगे. आज फिर क्या हुआ कि प्रणव का मैं वेट कर रहा था और प्रणव 11:30 आने वाला था और 11:15 पे मैसेज करता है कि नहीं मुझे पापा के साथ कहीं जाना है. समझ रहे हो ना? तो मैंने अमंत को बुलाया है, अमंत आ रहा है. सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर अ गाय. आ जाएगा तो फिर चलते हैं और लेग्स ट्रेन करते हैं. तो बाकी अभी कैसा आपका ट्रैवलिंग एंड ऑल रहा? शो मी योर फिजिक. भाई को काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो है लाइपोमा हुआ था, तो लाइपोमा की सर्जरी हुई है. स्टिल जो है अभी सर्जरी उनको कराना है. कई सारे अभी हैं. फ्रंट डबल, बैक, men's physique only. Nice. I can see that you are very stiff.
Yeah. See, I'm very, literally, I'm very bad in posing. I won't say I could say because
You need lots of therapy for more mobility and all this.
Yeah.
Because your body is very stiff.
Just working on it.
But still you improve a lot.
Yeah. See,
मैं इनका स्टार्टिंग का पिक्चर दूंगा, डालूंगा, देखना. और अभी का देखना.
I say like whatever I'm eating it, I'm posting it. But the coffee, tea, those things I'm not posting it. But I was doing it, but I could not control it when I'm getting it. See, to be honest, like this lipoma is eating me very bad.
Yeah, don't worry you.
But still, see, I could say like my mother is supporting, my wife is supporting, everyone is there.
Me too, bro.
The only problem is the lipoma.
इट्स ओके बट बहुत ज्यादा था. रिमूव सारा का सारा निकल गया है. बॉडी कैसा था, कैसा शेप था. या अ लॉट यू इम्प्रूव अ लॉट. नाउ यू लुक लाइक बॉडी बिल्डर. यू लुक लाइक प्रोफेशनल एथलीट. यू जस्ट नीड टू reduce lot more body fat and after that you can compete and also you can win. So your lipoma हुआ starting से था या कैसा हुआ?
My mother.
Okay.
My mother, my father. Even my brother.
Means genetic disorder.
That's a problem.
Okay.
It is not like something which comes from milk product or sugary foods or something. Nothing like that. It is purely for me is a genetic. That is a big problem.
Okay.
If it is comes from the food, 1 or 2 lipomas maximum you can easily remove them. But every time I do a surgery,
It's okay, bro. It's
I'm
okay.
removing minimum 100 lipomas. Last time I removed 180.
सी भाई, आपको बस लाइपोमा ही हुआ है. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनको जो है कैंसर, ट्यूमर, ये सारी चीजें हो जाती है. तो ये तो जस्ट आप रिमूव कर सकते हो. यू हैव मनी, यू हैव एवरीथिंग, यू हैव एक्सपर्ट. तो बी ग्रेटफुल जो भी है अपने पास उसके लिए. यू कांट कंप्लेन.
That's true. That is absolutely true.
इट्स जस्ट कॉस्मेटिक थिंग. बाकी ना इससे कोई पेन है, ना कोई डिफिकल्टी है, ना कोई परेशानी है. बस यही है कि यू आर प्रोफेशनल बॉडी बिल्डर, यू वांट टू शो योर फिजिक और ये सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. तो उसके लिए इट्स ओके, इट्स फाइन. अगर हर चीज़ में पॉजिटिव आप देखोगे ना, ग्रेटफुल होगे ना, तो फिर सही है. यू हैव मनी टू ट्रेवल एवरीवेयर, एनीवेयर यू वांट. यू हैव पीपल, यू हैव योर वाइफ, योर मदर. सो यू आर ब्लेस्ड ब्रो. दिस इज नथिंग. अब ऐसा होता है ना कि बहुत सारे लोगों के पास जो है एक पैर होते एक नहीं होते हैं. तो एक से बहुत सारे लोग बहुत कुछ कर रहे थे, बट अगर वो उसके लिए रोएगा तो फिर वो जो एक है उसको भी यूज़ में नहीं ले पाएगा. बट मैं थैंकफुल हूँ कि मैं एवरी मंथ जो है स्टेज पे चढ़ता हूँ मेरे एथलीट की वजह से. मतलब वो चढ़ते हैं तो एक तरीके से मैं ही हूँ. मैं प्रो शो नहीं खेला मगर मेरे एथलीट प्रो शो जीत रहे हैं. मैं ओलंपिया नहीं गया, मेरे एथलीट ओलंपिया जा रहे हैं. तो एक तरीके से मैं ही जा रहा हूँ. यू ऑल्सो कॉम्पिटेड इन 2017 विथ मी इन सेम ग्रुप. वाओ.
See, I've been started my bodybuilding shows in 2016. My start prepping by 2015. My first show is 2016. Then I was been and done. My first show is Muscle Mania India. That is my first show.
Which year?
First time they introduced it to India.
Okay.
That's the
I was there, bro.
Yeah.
I was there, and my friend and client's mother, he was, I think,
He was there.
yeah, he was there,
And
and
Amar Sekhar is third. My friend is one that they took it in our category. He won the third in India.
okay.
That's the first show of mine.
See,
And then
see this picture. मैं ये पिक्चर लगा दूंगा, वो देखना. सारे लोग हैं. ये सत्यम, ये लड़के का नाम मुझे नहीं पता. ये सनी, ये वसंत. ये 2017 almost. It's been 9 years.
9 years.
Yeah. Kavi is also
Yeah.
my client.
Like, see,
All my competitors now, my
because
clients.
we need the right person to
Yeah,
guide.
yeah,
Because mentally we have more than if we know knowledge also. The thing
Mm-hmm.
is the mental support is more needed, and then accountability is very important. That's where we are lagging in India. So we ready to see. To be honest, Yanaki, whatever the diet, which I'm following it, but when I'm getting stressed, I don't have an option. Just I'm going accessing like tea, coffee, but I'm not going out of the control. But sometimes that is the one thing I do cheat. But now I could say from the last 1 month, I've been very strict towards that. I cut down everything,
And I
just
can see
controlling
that changes in your physique. And thank you so much believing in me.
it. It's my pleasure. Like, see, when
I hope जो सोच के आप आए थे वो आपको मिल रहा है. My all attention and everything.
no, like, see, absolutely fine. But again, for me, I need that, like, more than the call, text contact. I feel that physical, like, okay,
Yeah.
let's talk. That is
Yeah,
more, I
yeah.
need more. That's
Yeah.
what I say. Okay, let's come and meet first. So I'm like pretty confident now. So that's why I spoke to my doctor about my surgery also.
तो अभी यहाँ से इनका थोड़ा सा बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज ड्रॉप होगा. उसके बाद फिर से जो है जो बच्चे कुचे लाइपोमा है वो सर्जरी करके निकालेंगे. और कितने कट्स लगे हैं अभी लास्ट टिल डेट?
Last was 180 lipomas removed.
180 जगह कट करके रिमूव किया गया लाइपोमा. और ये जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर है, इसके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो डू यू हैव आल्सो एनी प्लानिंग टू डेब्यू इन मूवी एंड एनीथिंग?
I have my friends
You got that aura of you can play a good role.
but my friends and then my clients are there in the movie industry as well.
Okay, nice.
But right now, the main focus is need to be a comeback because I don't believe like when I do Asian Grand Prix, like in that time
In Korea?
Yeah. So
South Korea.
yes.
Sometimes judges think it's a side effect of anabolic
Yes.
or it's your
So
what we call peptides and all. Actually what happened ना, जैसे जैसे body fat percentage reduce होता है, as you start reducing your body fat, it's going to be more visible. More
the focus
popping
light,
out.
it will
Yeah.
be shown.
अब आपके जरिए बहुत सारे लोगों को क्लियर हो जाएगा कि चलो अगर इस तरीके से ऐसी कुछ है जो कॉस्मेटिक चीजें हाईलाइट हो रही है तो उसको पहले रिमूव करें, अदरवाइज आपका सारा मेहनत एंड सब सारी चीजें खराब हो जाएंगी. बिकॉज ऑफ यू बहुत सारे लोगों को अब आइडिया लग जाएगा, जो भी आपको देखेंगे वो करेंगे, चाहे यूट्यूब चाहे जैसे भी. समटाइम क्या होता है ना कि हम जिस रास्ते पे चलते हैं वो रास्ता हमें नहीं मिल पाता है, बट आगे वालों के लिए रोड मैप बना देते हैं कि ब्रो यू जस्ट कांट डू एनीथिंग विद दिस. या I think if all this going to pop out, so we have to discuss with judges कि this is not anything I injected, this is a lipoma and this is genetic disorder. Otherwise, again they are going to disqualify you after good conditioning and symmetry and all this. So we just need to give them later or all this, so they keep in mind you are not doing any fishy things. Yeah, this happened with one of my clients. Female clients. Judges just make assumption. She took Synthol and all this. They just remove all his points. She was eligible for a pro card,
Okay.
but they just disqualify because of their assumption. Right now, I'm managing all this thing, all the responsibility. That's why I'm not able to prioritize competition more than my personal life and professional life. So everything is messed up, but in my heart, always I want to
You're lucky
be
you have
there
a
on.
girl.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
That's the luckiest thing.
Thank you. So this guy came to meet me on Valentine Day. And we are going on date under the bar
Yeah.
to train legs. This is how we celebrate our Valentine Day. Don't worry, I'll give you extra fuel from Fuel One.
I just want to ask your opinion. What about the pre-workout things? Either we can use it or not.
Sometime don't depend
that
on any pre-workout.
mindset is there.
But if you are not recovered and feeling
Sleepless,
and you want to push little extra, so you can have it,
because
but you don't need to depend
sometimes-
upon any.
No, that is are there.
Yeah. See, if you are using any pre-workout supplement, that is fine, absolutely fine. But your pre-workout start using you,
No,
that's not fine. One of my friend today morning sent me a reel where a person injecting something and saying he's taking pre-workout, and he posted on Instagram.
This
Very scary,
abuse
bro.
is
Very
like
scary.
extremely
Very
high,
scary.
especially many of them.
I don't know what they think and how they can promote or post anything like this. Even this is not your anabolic steroid. This is a
They
CNS stimulator. It's like kind of cocaine and all this drug. They are posting on their social media and saying, तो आज मैं जा रहा हूँ ट्रेनिंग करने और ये मेरा प्री वर्कआउट and injecting and posting.
Many lives
Lots of
are
people
gone.
showing
Misleading.
their syringe and injecting and talking about their cycle and all this. I never advise to my clients. You cannot talk openly about this PED.
Yeah,
But you
it
can
is illegal.
talk about side effect, not the dosage, but you can talk about side effect.
It's illegal, no? Like it is not illegal
Yeah,
in India.
illegal, and even this can also influence youngster. Taking anabolic is very cheap, but after managing all this side effect and precaution, it's very costly.
It's very costly.
Youngster not going to think about managing side effect or precaution or anything. They just got to know, oh, this is cycle who is taking this guy and he got crazy physique. I am also going to take. You
about
can
general
provide
thought.
the knowledge, but you don't need to tell about
To use this, do that.
doses and all this. Even lots of people commenting on my social media, you should tell the people what is dose and yeah. I can't.
Why?
I can't, bro. I can talk about side effect. I can talk about blood work.
Which
I can talk about recovery, all this, but I never ever going to talk about what is dose and how
Yeah.
you can take it and all. Fuel One Max. Right now I'm associated with this brand.
Previous you
I'm using and promoting.
as a
खुद भी खाता हूँ, फैमिली को भी खिलाता हूँ, अपने दोस्तों को भी. And now give me your real feedback.
feedback.
Yeah. Do you like vanilla flavor? You don't?
No, but
So,
I can
try this and tell me. Now I'll change your test board.
It's better, right?
Yeah,
Usually
better.
other vanilla flavor can't even keep it.
Thank
in
God,
the
it's worth it, bro. But in post-workout, I'll give you another flavor. No bloating, no nothing. It's really good.
That is more important these days.
Yeah.
It
He
is
want to
sudden,
compete. He
like-
has potential, very, very crazy potential.
Yes.
He can be one of the best classic physique pro in India who can represent India very well. But because of responsibility and all this, he's not able to manage to bring the conditioning package on stage. And I think last he competed in 2023 in Delhi. And after that, बट ठीक है, काम चल जा रहा है मेरा. ले रहा हूँ खेल के. खत्म. Let's do warm up on this extension. Chew. Come on. 3, 4. Chew. 3, 4. Come on. 1. Come on. Chew. 3. All the way down and stay there. Stay there. You need to remove these shoes. Why I am removing these shoes?
Because this is a running shoe actually.
Yeah, running shoes and also
my
sponge.
foot is not
Yeah.
flat. I need a flat one.
Not going to give you that stability.
Yes.
So remove it. Go down. Stay there. Chest up. Chest up. Yeah. And up. Up. Chew. Hire any physiotherapist in your area
Sure.
and start taking therapy.
To release it.
Yeah. Otherwise, in future you are going to face any injury can happen with this stiffness. You need more flexibility, flexible muscle. Stand up, walk back. Nice. Chest up and elbow in. Go down. Chest up. Yeah. Up. 1. Good. Chew. Good. Go down.
1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Up. 5. Very good. Up.
1, 2.
What? He was struggling?
I asked it, can you do one more? No. That's yeah. 1, 2.
Exhale, inhale, hold your breath and go down. Nice. Up. Butter. Good. Come on, go down. Up. Very good. अबे जाओ इतना क्या सोचा है जैसे लग रहा है 4-5 प्लेट लगाए हो. 1 जाओ नीचे पूरा. Go down. Go deep. Go down. जाओ नीचे. नीचे जाओ बाद में उठने का सोचना. जाओ नीचे. Now up. Good. 2. One more 10.
We
Yeah, you can
try,
do. Yeah, you can.
but not like 8 trips.
It's not-
hard much.
It's not much, bro.
हाँ, please.
उतना ऊपर नहीं यार. बस एक ऊपर करो. Yeah, go down. Yeah, up. Butter. I told you. You are strong.
1, 2. Very good.
Go deep. Go deep. Go deep. Yeah. Exhale करो. Breathe out. Inhale. Go down. Go down. जाओ 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 जाओ. सोचो मत जाओ. नीचे जाओ. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. And up. गया ना? 1. Very good. 2. Very good. 1. Butter. Come on. 2. Go down. Down again. Down. Come on. Keep going. See, after this, you need rest and more food. If you want, you can have cheat meal.
Oh,
Not an issue.
Thank you.
ये सेट जाएगा. मजा आएगा. यादगार होगा. चलो. चेस्ट अप रहेगा, एल्बो इन रहेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. जाओ नीचे जाओ. सोच क्या रहे हो? नीचे जाओ, रख दो ना. नीचे जाने के टाइम नीचे जाने का सोचो. ऊपर का उठने का छोड़ दो. नीचे जाओ और रख दो. नीचे जाओ और रख दो. चेस्ट अप. गो डाउन 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 डाउन. नीचे जाओ, रख दो. जाओ. गुड. सोचो मत. आप. वेरी गुड. पूरा नीचे आओगे, नहीं भी आओगे तो भी चलेगा. गो डाउन डाउन डाउन. चलो नीचे जाओ डायरेक्ट. गो डाउन 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 डाउन. चलो गो डाउन 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 डाउन. चलो गो डाउन 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 1 बटर जाओ नीचे जाओ 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 ऊपर नहीं आना चलो चलो 2 कीप गोइंग 3 चलो जाओ 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 चलो 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 Come on, go down. Down, down, down. Push. Very good. Don't stop on top. Come on. Let's go. Go down, 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 down. And push. 1. आजा नीचे, आजा तुरंत. 2. लेग्स पे अच्छे से काम करना है अवंत. पहले ये बेसिक चीज़ें सही से करो, फिर तुमको ढंग से ट्रेनिंग बना के देता हूँ. आप लोग मायोफिब्रल और सार्कोप्लाज्मिक हाइपरट्रॉफी के बारे में पढ़ना. जब समझ जाना फिर कमेंट करना, मतलब जब नहीं समझेगा तो फिर मैं एक वीडियो में बताऊंगा आपको. जो नी है ना, नी के अंडर में रहता है. अरे सॉरी, शोल्डर है. वाइडर देन शोल्डर नहीं रखना है, शोल्डर के लाइन में रहता है. अलग अलग जैसे फीट पोजीशन होता है, अलग मसल टारगेट होने लगता है. 6 वेरी गुड. 7 आई कैन फील द स्ट्रेंथ.
7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3,
So
4.
Vasant bhai, I am going to create a thumbnail, the title with a guy with 250 stitches fighting for his dream. So never give up series. Really, I'm proud of you. You are prime example of never give up. Good,
You
good.
know, many of them saying why you want to try.
Because I love it.
Because most of my well-wishers and personal, why you want to do it?
Because I want it. That's why I want it.
But they don't understand that.
Sometimes you don't need reason. Sometimes you don't need why. You just want to do
But
it
one thing
and
my
do
wife,
it.
But one
So
thing
do
my
it.
wife says, don't think anything. Whatever you needed, you do it.
Yeah.
I'll support.
This is what the definition of successful people.
Last
If
day,
you have lots of money, lots of property and all this, lots of followers, doesn't mean you are successful. What actually you want and you are doing, that's make you successful.
yeah.
That's give you satisfaction when you are going to sleep. Otherwise, lots of famous and successful people found at Iceland. Stephen, that what is the name of that guy?
Epstein Iceland.
Epstein Iceland. Yeah.
Epstein files.
Epstein files.
5, 6.
What?
If I like to come visit one
Yeah, you can
monthly
come. I
once,
don't mind.
because even I feel that's I like to do that.
Come.
But
Only 1 month. I'm going to push more than you.
definitely,
Accept the challenge.
I agree that
Yeah.
I'm ready for that.
So today is 14 Feb, and we are celebrating here under the bar.
This is our Valentine's
Yeah.
Day.
And I'm also expecting your challenge for next month,
Sure.
14 March. Only 3 exercise today.
Sure.
Yeah. We are not strong enough like other guy who perform more than 7 sets, 7, 8, 10 variation. 6, come on. 7, 8, 9. Hold on top. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Come on. 1, 2 squeeze hard 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 squeeze करो 1 2 3 4 5 ठीक है squeeze करो 1 दबाओ पूरा flex करो जैसे स्टेज में flex करते हैं ना या down come on squeeze hard पूरा दबाओ दम नहीं रहा दबा
Come on, bye. 1, 2, 3, 4.
अगर आप लोग को एनर्जी है इतना करने के बाद भी तो आप बुल्गेरियन स्क्वाट्स कर सकते हैं इसके बाद आफ्टर दैट यू आर फ्री 3 4 5 6 come on up खींचे रहो down come on
Go on. See, today's I absolutely enjoy the session with some, like always, when we do with the coach, that's totally as a different scenario when you do it alone. You need the right person to push you to extreme. That's where when we do alone, we will miss that. But when your coach is behind you, and then the next you, if he teaches, that's always, it gives you a positive, and then its motivation is totally is in a different level. Today I pretty enjoy the session along with Sid Bhai. I'm just looking forward to do some few more sessions along with him. Let's see how it is going to be.
Type my name on your screen. I am Becky John Messina. Let's present at Christmas Eve. Oh, what a bad girl I have been. Must put me out. I can breathe. Ain't no break. Those my cheeks come up my nose.
क्या बात है इसके लिए तुमको क्लासिक बोल रहा हूँ मैं
Could be play with the big
front lat spread
could be spit on
side
the
chest up see you need to push your back
No.
with help of your biceps
study. Teach my brain how to be a
back down bicep back lat spread abdomen side clap pose flat नॉर्मल जस्ट एब्स फ्लेक्स करो यस ये हाथ रखो कमर पे एक सिंगल पैर नॉर्मल रखो जस्ट ये खड़े हो ना अभी इसी में पूरे ये टर्न हो जाओ टर्न हो उस साइड वसन टर्न लाइक दिस ये है ये पैर इधर करो हल्का सा हाँ अभी बॉडी पूरी टिल्ट कर दो और कुछ नहीं हाँ ब्रीथ आउट ओपन योर लैट ये लैट को कौन हाँ अभी इधर हाथ रखो लैट ओपन करो बेटर शकिन फ्लेक्स टर्न मोर या बेटर फेस द रियर बैक पोज झुको मत सिर्फ लैट ओपन करो बाद में झुकना चिन प्रॉपर रखो नॉर्मल ना डाउन ना हाँ गुड फेस द फ्रंट सेम पोजीशन में आ जाओ जो कराया था यस हाथ रखो लैट ओपन करो बेटर वेरी गुड टर्न हो थोड़ा सा टिल्ट हो या अभी अदर साइड करो लैट खोलो लैट हाँ एज बॉडी फेस द रियर बैक पोज मेन फिजिक ठीक है so how was the training and everything
It was good, bro. Like that's what I just told. Like it was the legs. It's been very long. I've been doing with squat rack and
you
all.
have good strength you can push little extra
To push, no?
yeah you can once you start lifting definitely you are going to enjoy every day of training and once you start enjoying training definitely you are going to change you don't need to push from any other person
Okay.
self-driven self-motivated person can do anything so here is my supplement store
Yeah.
main branch
Oh, okay.
I have also franchisee
It's triple S, right?
yeah S3 super supplement support where we
Previous
have
you've been
multiple brand and all essential and every product
Yeah.
including with apparel board shorts and all this we only deal in GST bill
Oh, okay.
no work without bill or without importer tag
Proper billing.
yeah proper billing that's why we are growing
Obviously.
because yeah nowadays everywhere is fake we have multiple franchisee multiple branch and we are also expanding everywhere
That's good.
yeah
So far, how many branches you've been given it?
currently active is 4
like tie up with this direct dealers or like
Yeah,
direct brand
we are
dealers? or
working
we-
with direct importer and direct brands. So that's why
would be
we
great.
got real product and with good price.
That will be great because many of them they've been tie up with the dealers, but not they won't direct contact with the.
Because if you are going to work with company, with brand or with importer directly, you have to buy good amount of good quantity of product.
Yep.
So we are able to buy. So that's why we are
That's good actually.
all the running brand, all the essential product, and we are also now doing online. Just launch our website. s3buy.com.
And I've seen
Where you can
your
find-
clothing thing.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
now
yeah.
it's been our supplements also. You only said buy. We'll give a different one.
Coffee, it's fine.
That's all.
It's not whey protein, it's yeast protein. People with lactose tolerance, they can
they
have
will
this
be there.
protein. Because lots of people not having whey protein
Because of the
lactose intolerant. But this one is best.
It's good.
Good. Okay. It's good. You can also try and use my code SIDD. That's why I signed. It's really good. It's not about only money. It's also what you are promoting.
Today I had a good experience. Like being meeting a coach and then doing a workout with him I had a good experience.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. And do subscribe, share, and comment. See you in next video. Peace out.